Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can save all Snapchat memories. So basically what Snapchat memories is, it's a place where all your saved snap or your Snapchat story which you saved are going to be shown. So basically how you guys can go there is like you can click on this camera icon over here on Snapchat and you can click on this icon, and basically you come to the place where all the memories are stored. Now, to save all the Snapchat memories, before I tell you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can save all Snapchat memories. So let's say I want to save all of the Snapchat memories on my phone. Basically what I have to do is hold on one of them, and it's gonna show select all. Now remember, you have to click on select all on like every month. So let's say I click on this select all of May, so all the photo of my May is selected. Now for April I have to do the same thing, scroll down and do it. It's a bit hard, but like instead of individually like downloading the photo, it's a way easy task. And after selecting all of it, you can basically click on export at the bottom. Once you click on export, it's gonna show share elsewhere. So where do you want to share it? So let's say I want to download it. I can click on where it says download, click on it, and it's exporting like all of these snaps over here. So wait for some time, and after all the snaps are exported, it's gonna be saved to my camera roll. So basically that means my gallery. So I can go to my gallery after all of this is downloaded and show it to you guys. And as you guys can see, your snaps were exported. Now basically what I can do is go to my gallery to show you guys. And as you guys can see, Snapchat over here, all of this is exported. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.